Once upon a time in a sun-drenched village on the beautiful island of Jamaica, there lived a vibrant girl named Shemiel. With her radiant smile and a spirit as bright as the Caribbean sun, she was known for her infectious laughter and boundless energy. However, while Shemiel enjoyed playing in the lush green fields and exploring the colorful markets, she had a burning desire to learn that set her apart from her friends. Shemiel's school was a small wooden building with peeling paint but filled with laughter and the restless energy of children eager to learn. She loved her teacher, Miss Thompson, who taught not just with books but with stories about the world. Shemiel would listen wide-eyed, dreaming of travel and adventure. Yet, her excitement for learning sometimes left her friends behind, and she often found herself alone, diving deep into her books. One day, the school announced a prestigious scholarship for the brightest student in the class. The winner would receive a chance to attend a renowned boarding school in Kingston. When she heard the news, Shemiel felt a spark ignite within her heart. With determination shining in her eyes, she decided to give it her all. Every evening, after finishing her chores, Shemiel would sit under the big mango tree in her yard, surrounded by the scent of ripe fruit and the soft sound of the ocean waves. With her books sprawled around her, she would study as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with streaks of orange and pink. Shemiel practiced math problems, read stories, and memorized facts about science and history. Her hard work was not unnoticed. Shemiel's classmates, inspired by her relentless spirit, began to rally around her. They would join her under the mango tree, sharing ideas and helping each other. What started as Shemiel's solitary pursuit quickly morphed into a community of learners. The day of the exam arrived, and the air was thick with excitement. Shemiel walked into the classroom filled with nervous energy but reminded herself of the support from her friends. As she answered the questions, she felt empowered, not just by her own efforts, but by the strength of those around her. When the results were finally announced, her heart raced. And the brightest student in the class is Shemiel. The classroom erupted in cheers, and her friends lifted her onto their shoulders, celebrating her achievement. Tears of joy streamed down her face as she thought of all the evenings spent under the mango tree and the friendships forged through shared dreams. Shemiel didn't just win the scholarship, she inspired her entire class to value learning. With her commitment and the love from her friends, she blossomed into the bright star she always dreamed of becoming. And so, Shemiel's journey became a tale told for generations, a testament to the power of perseverance, friendship, and the belief that with hard work, dreams can take flight.